How to start a business? The first thing is that you should have an idea. So develop that idea and then identify the customer's need and then research the market to identify a gap or specified need. Choose something you are passionate about and you are interested and you have a knowledge and skills in it. Do market research about your business idea. Conduct survey or interviews and analyze the trends to ensure the demand for the product and services. Do market analysis. Understand the industry, target market and competition and pricing strategies. Funding requirement. Estimate how much money you need to start a sustained operation. Financial projection. Include profit or loss, cash flow analysis. Don't skip this video because this video is very important for you. Sole proprietorship. Sole proprietorship meaning is that if you start a business, if you take a loan and if your company become bankrupt, the bankers will receive money only from you. Partnership allows two or more people to own the business, but partners are liable for the debts. It means if you take a loan, then your partner also need to clear the loan. Register your business name. Choose and register a unique name with your state or a local government and domain name. Secure your online presence by registering a domain for your website. Set up accounting software to track income, expenses and profits and losses, and appoint accountant for the accounting system. How you will fund your business? Explore funding options like self-funding, loans, investors and grants. Establish your location. Choose a location that fits your business needs and budget. Equipment. Purchase or lease the necessary tools and technology necessary equipments. Launch your business. Test your business with less audience to refine your process, to understand what customers need, what customers are expecting from your company. Official launch. Announce your opening with promotional event, special offers or an online campaign where you get the capital from money. Don't try to get loan from the bank or anywhere. When you are starting a business, you should try yourself to invest the starting amount of your business to it. Should register your business in legally. Solo proprietorship. It needs to have less than 5 member. Benefits: low government regulation. Register at local authority or gram panchayati. Cost more than 1000 rupees. The time it takes is 1 to 2 days. The second is that one person company, OPC, warrant personally liable, cost 5000 rupees on different states. Time 5 to 10 days it takes. You are the director and shareholder of the company. Example, if the company is SK Construction, then it become SK Construction Private Ltd. Third is private limited company, PVT Ltd. Minimum 2 shareholder and 2 directors, maximum 200 shareholders. If you want more than 200 shareholders, you have to make it as a public limited company. If you have PVT Ltd, then you will get loan easily from the banks and investor also believe in the company. Private limited company is the best type of registration for a companies. Then limited liability partnership, LLP. Limited liability partnership is very good for engineers and doctors and lawyers because after completing the project, then you can dissolve the company. Example, if you are building a building, then after the complete of that building, you can dissolve that company. GST registration. If your company making 20 lakhs per annum in India, you should make GST registration. Import Export Code registration, IEC. Professional tax registration, this only applicable in few states. And employee state insurance registration, ESI. If your company has more than 10 employees, then this employee state insurance registration is compulsory. Provident fund registration, PF. if your company has 20 plus employees, then you should register in this provident fund registration pf. On the basis of yearly, you should pay income tax, accounting, and a gst return, how much the profit the company has made and how much the liabilities and the assets the company own and how much the company is lost it. You should use balance sheet to do it and should have an idea, and then you should make a plan, then you should execute it. Before execution, you should analyze the market and you should analyze how the other business are working. You should hire a good employees. What does a business do? Your business makes the product and sell the product what the customers are need, and the customers will pay the money for the product you given them. How much the money the customers paid you for the product has to be more than that you spend it on that product, then you are making profit. If you spend more money than that you spend it on that product, then your business will close down and you will become a bankrupt like Anil Ambani and Vijay Mallya. And respect for Anil Ambani, he is not a bankrupt right now. Business has to be in a sustainable condition. Three main stakeholders in a business. First one is owners. Second one is managers. The third, workers. Owners and managers and workers have to work together to run a successful business. Remember, happy business means happy customers. Business can have more than one owner and multiple managers and multiple workers. What's the role of a owners in a business? The owners have to invest money to start a business. The owners have to buy new equipments which are needed for the business. The owners have to make a plan and make sure that the plan will work. If they don't agree with each other, if they don't have a CEO, then they recommend executive manager. There are three types of manager. First is upper, middle and lower managers. The first is upper managers like chief executive manager, middle marketing managers, lower managers, example supervisors. The steps the manager has to follow: planning, staffing and organizing and directing and controlling. Role of workers in business. Sales worker find the customers and sell the product of this company. Accountant analyze how the money is spending and what the profit the company is making. Workers and managers get their salary in every month, but owners get dividends and they have the equity in a company. So if the company grows, their equity's value will also grows. Business is an economical activity. Business is a process of buying and selling the product to make profit. The main motto of a business is to make profit. Without making a profit, you can't say it's a business. So don't make a profit in a business, you can't run your business for a long time. So the business will go down and you will become a bankrupt like Anil Ambani and Vijay Mallya. Right now, Anil Ambani is not a bankrupt. Business is a process of buying and selling the product to make profit.